Hello everyone, this is Corina and Mihaela from Atelier Mico, and we are back with another 3D wall art. So stay with us to present the process and as well to show you the materials. So this is a commission and we were requested to create an 80 by 80 centimeter 3D wall art. So before starting to explain you the entire process, we wanted to tell you that you will find all the materials linked in the description of the video. So the first step is to take your canvas and take the wood glue, some water and a brush. You will place the wood glue on the canvas and add water and then spread it with the brush. Next, take the fabric and place it on the canvas and then add more water and more wood glue. And the dimension of the fabric should be on one side 2 times longer than the canvas that you choose. So in our case, if the canvas is 80 by 80 centimeter, the fabric is going to be 100 centimeter per 160 centimeters. We chose taffeta as the material, but you can also create this type of artwork with cotton fabric. So once the fabric is on the canvas, you will start to create the model. But before creating the model, you need to apply enough wood glue so the material will stick to the canvas. Also use a large brush to spread the wood glue, it's easier like that. So for our model, we wanted to create large loops that will look like clouds. So this is the fun part where you can play with the forms and the models and you can create whatever you want. Just let your mind be free and create with your hands. Once you are done with the desired model and the canvas is set and you don't need to make any other adjustment, you will let the fabric dry for at least 12 hours. Depending on the temperature, it might take up to 24 hours. In our case, since it's summer, it took about 12 hours. Now that the fabric is dry, you will need to do the back of the artwork. For that, you will need a scissor and a staple gun. So first of all, you will need to cut the excess from each side of the canvas. Next, you will need to fold the material underneath and then use the staple gun to pin it on the frame of the canvas. Do this for each side of the canvas and the back of it will look amazing. Now, to hang the artwork on the wall, you will need to add a sawtooth hanger on the back of the canvas. So for this, you will need obviously the sawtooth hanger, 2 screws, 1 drilling machine and a hammer. So place the sawtooth hanger on the middle of the frame and then secure it with a hammer. After that, you will need to place the screws in the holes of the sawtooth hanger and then press with the drilling machine. And this is the last step where you will need to paint the fabric. We used water-based email to cover the fabric. We chose this type of paint to create like a leather satin effect at the end. You can also use acrylic paint or other type of paint depending on the finish that you want to have. So for the first layer, you can use a big brush to cover the fabric. After you are done with the first layer, you will need to let it dry for at least 12 to 24 hours. Here we are starting to work on our second layer. You will need to turn the canvas on each side to see where you haven't put paint. Once you are done with the second layer, you can also let it dry for at least 12 hours. And if you feel the need, you can put the third layer, or you can correct the parts where the paint is not perfect. For this, we recommend you to use a smaller brush so you can reach the underneath surfaces. Also, make sure that you paint the back of the artwork. And this is the final result. Hope you really enjoyed the process, and we would be really grateful if you'd like to subscribe, comment or share this video with someone that would like to create this artwork.